Hi everybody, this is my first video. I'm going to try to do an unboxing. I already had a look the package of if it's the real thing that I wanted it, and we have minion keychains. Let's have a look at them. This is how they look like. There are 4 of them. It's going to be a bit loud now, sorry about that. There you go. We have one ordinary toolkit, a pen, a little boat, and a piece of wax. And here we have the keychains. We have little keychains and the chains. And here are the 4 minions. They are both sided. That looks really nice. They look really nice. Now we'll take a look at the stones. They're also packed in a plastic bag. And we have the eyes. There are big ones and the smaller ones. And we have 6 different colors. Let's have a look. Oh, they're real shiny. There are 2 yellow packs, 2 keys. Oh, that's nice. They're really, really shiny. Look at those round stones. They are really, really nice. And red ones, yeah. So, which one should we do first? Let's have a look. Take one, this one. I don't remember the names. Can take take the cover off it. It's really sticky. That's nice. The other one's away. Now we need, we'll start one now. Start with the 1. And take the, hey, we also have baggies for the rest stones. If we don't want to do it at one time, we can put the stones back in. Open up one bag. Put a few stones in. That'll do. Look at those stones, nice and shiny. And we take the cover off the wax. And put the pen in. Pick up a stone and place it on the little minion. There you go. Take one. That's how easy it goes. Look at that. I'll do the rest later. Okay, bye.